Hey guys, this is Rick, and today we're going to be reviewing the OSMO Action by DJI. It's the new action camera, and we're going to be starting now. So now we're going to go with the unboxing here. So what we have here, according to the specs on the back, we have the OSMO Action, of course, the battery, USB-C cable, quick release base, the curved adhesive mount, a battery case, a locking screw, and of course the flat adhesive mount. All right, so we got the DJI here. We're gonna open her up. Oh, it's gonna come right out. Of course, we got here, this is the action cam right here. Looks like we got some screen protections on the front and the back. It's kind of important, but it's an action camera. It's supposed to see action. We have our box over here, which is going to have all those accessories. Open these up. We have our more information, our manual. We have one of our mounts. We have our battery pack with our battery. We have our sticker mounts. And of course we have a tool and our charging, which is of course USB Type-C, which is awesome since everything's going that way. So we got the all right, so we are going to open this bad boy up here. So we're gonna, of course, take the housing off. We got the back side here, slides out this way. It's coming out, I swear. There we go. There's the action cam. Of course, we have our battery hole in the bottom, of course, for that, and we have all of our stickers. So we're gonna be opening those bad boys up. This is like, oh, everybody loves to take those off. That is some nice looking glass on the front of that thing. Ooh, look at that. It's got even like a protection thing on the bottom of the battery, I think. Or no, it actually slides in like that, okay? So we're gonna slide the bad boy in, match up our pins, and bam, we are there. And okay, first thing we're seeing is, of course, it's saying English. It's wanting me to download the app. So activate with DJI Mimo. So I have to pull out my phone. Download the app. Yep. All right, so the latest firmware is downloading right now on my phone to send to the camera, which includes Rocksteady, which is the new version, and adding a couple different options, adding a 2 to 5 second timer to count down in photo mode, optimize system sounds, optimize increased Wi-Fi connection stability, and of course, improved time-lapse and HDR quality. So I had to do a full reboot of the camera for the firmware to actually take effect. Don't know why, but make sure if you're getting this and it's new that you might have to do a reboot. Just holding the power button down for a couple seconds, shutting it off, turning it back on, took care of that issue. While we're waiting here, you can see we got a couple different kind of buttons. We have the OS button, which I believe is like you can go quickly into different modes. We also have the display mode, which you can switch between the two. You can also take pictures with it, and record mode, which is quick action record button. Dude, check this out. Like, you know, I got, you know, a DJI Spark, and we got, of course, the DJI Osmo, like the gimbal. But I was just opening up the camera app, and I have live streaming video to my phone, just like you would if you had the Spark. This is kind of really cool. So we're gonna go test out the Rocksteady mode right now. So firmware is updated, camera's ready to go, phone's ready to rock. Let's go do it. We're back here at the office. One of the things that we found was that this thing was awesome. You know, I haven't owned a GoPro or any other kind of action camera that's out there. I'd have to say this has been something we've been wanting to get. We were looking at the GoPro 7 Black, and I believe, according to everybody else on the reviews, this thing smokes it. It was like awesome. The stabilization factor, I'm not a small guy, So my running factor is probably not the smoothest, and it was able to stabilize me very well. If you're wanting to do the video feed and you're gonna do it to your cell phone and you're wanting to do that with the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna tell you right now, Wi-Fi does not work underwater. It instantly killed our feed. We were like, oh, let's look at no, we won't look at fishes. That doesn't work. And then finally, we don't know how that whole functionality is, the GoPro versus this action camera is gonna be with DJI, but I can tell you right now that this is my new favorite toy to play with. Hopefully we'll see you guys soon, and stay safe.